How to make a zoom in effect in Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can make a zoom in effect in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your web browser and head over to canva.com. So let's do that here and make sure that you're logged in into your account as well. After that, you can start a project. So let's say this is the project that I want to work with. So I'll just open this up, or you can basically import a video as well. It's completely up to you. So let me just remove this video here, delete this part, my bad here. And let's say that I want to zoom in, create a zoom in effect right here. So if I want to do that, and let's say that I want to make these parts right here from here to here, zoom in on the dice, what I'll do is I'll just split this or cut this. Here you'll find the split page option. Split the page. Do the same right around here where you want the effect to take place. And I'll just cut this here as well. And now on this page right here, you will need to zoom in on the image. So this is not loading right now, but yeah, basically zoom in. So just zoom in as much as you want. And right here, if you now go back, just go back and play the video, you'll notice the zoom in like this. And that's basically how you create the zoom in effect. And yeah, you can now add transitions between here. You can see the add transition option as well to make it more, interactive and more fun to watch. And yeah, that's basically how you do this effect. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.